Alright, number 9, without using a calculator, we're going to classify the parts A through E as true or false. So these don't have divisibility rules, or at least 7 doesn't that I know of. We're going to be using one of the properties. Says if A divides D and B divides D, then I think it's D divides A plus B. I may be writing that backwards, but something to that. Yeah, I think I've written this part backwards. D divides A and D divides B, then D divides A plus B. So just hypothetical, let's say that D is 5, let's say that A is 10. Okay, 5 will divide 10, it goes in there twice. Let's say this is 5, and let's say this is 20. 5 will also divide 20, goes in there 4 times. 5 will divide 10 plus 20, which is 30. Okay, so this is the concept that we're going to use for these problems. So we have 72, 10, and 42. So I'm going to look at those as separate numbers. So 7, 2, 1, and then the back end is 42. I'm going to look at these two groups. The zeros in the middle will be fine. If 7 can divide this and this, then it will divide the whole number. So 7 will divide 42. 7 will divide 721, 103. So we're going to say true, because it divides the first part and the back half. And 23 does not divide this number. That is because it will divide the 46, but it will not divide 24. So true, because it does divide this and doesn't divide that. Just doing mental math here. 29 divides 87 to the 13th power. It's a really big number. It says true because 87 to the 13th equals 3 to the 13th times 29 to the 13th. Not sure where they're getting that 3 from. Okay, yes. So what we're doing here is we're doing 87 is equal to 3 times 29 to the 13th, and then if 87 or if 29, this is definitely going to be divisible by 29 because it's just raised 29 to the 13th power. So if 3 to the 13th is divisible by 29, then so is that number. So that's where that 3 is coming from. So it wouldn't be to the 12th. If it's going to be true, it's going to be because of A. Let's verify. This is not one that I know offhand. So 3, it says without a calculator. Okay, so I guess they don't want us to verify it. I guess I would have to say it's true. I guess they're letting us know it's true, and just clarify why. 87 to the 13th is equal to this, and no, I don't see that this is equal to that. That's not equal. It wouldn't be false because of that. And it wouldn't be 3 to the 12th. Oh yeah, I guess they pulled out one of the 29s. They can do that. That would work. This one is false. They're letting us know, and they want to know why. Okay, so we don't have to prove or figure out what it is. We just have to know why it's true or false. So this one is false. 29 will divide 87, but it will not divide 86. So 29 will not divide 86 here at the bottom. And then E, this one is true. Why? 29 will divide 87 and 87. So it divides both of those.